everybody, it's Christina from Christina's Crafts, and I am going to be doing one of these Dollar Tree sleds today. I'm hoping to get out a couple videos of these. I'm going to try to do Monday through Friday, 5 days of sleds. So for this one, I got the Dollar Tree sled. I got this little thing, this little pick from Walmart for $1.28, so not much more than what Dollar Tree would be. It's kind of retro. And then I'm going to take my antique wax and I am going to paint my whole sled the antique wax color. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick some on here, and then once I get a bunch on there, I'm going to wipe it off. So it's just going to look like a stain. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done. Okay, my sled is all stained. If you see, there is some glue spots on here, but this one actually turned out pretty good. It wasn't too bad with the glue spots. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little sign that I got from Walmart, and I am just going to kind of bend it and just kind of go up and down, and it breaks right off. So this is going to go on our sled here, and what I'm going to do, since this is on here, I'm going to take some of this double-sided tape that I got from Dollar Tree, and I am going to stick it on my sign, which is going to get stuck to my sled, just so that it bumps it up, so it's going to sit a little bit flatter because of the metal. But I can't get that metal off of there. It will not come off. Let me stick second set on here and we'll see how that works. Okay, I am ready to put my sign on here, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use a little hot glue because I don't think the sticky tape is going to 100% stick to that. So we're going to stick a little bit of hot glue on here. Alright, and then I am going to try to center it the best I can, real quick like. I think that looks pretty good. And then I'm hoping with the sticky tape and the hot glue it should stick on there pretty good. Alright, and then I have some of these little pine branches that I got from Amazon, and I'll put the link down in the description, but I bought 100 pieces of these, and it turned out to be way cheaper than if you would buy them at Dollar Tree. So, and these are a little bit better quality too than what Dollar Tree's is. So I'm going to put these, I think, at the top of my sled here. Okay, so I think I figured out what I'm going to do here. So I have my little branches, and I am going to hot glue them on my sled right here. So one on each side. And then I have these little pine cones. I don't know, maybe I'll just put one on there. Maybe I'll put two here and then two berries in there too. That might look good. Alright, so right there. And then one. These were also Dollar Tree, these little pine cones. They came in a little bag, like a filler bag. And then I have these little berries. These also came in that bag. So I think I'm going to use those. I was going to use these dark red ones, but I think this color is going to go way better with this little picture that I have on here. And those are going to go on either side of the pine cones. And then I think there's just one more thing that I'm going to do yet. Then the last thing that I'm going to do is I took the little holder out of the top of this one, and I'm actually going to use this wired jute cord to put in there. So I'm just going to cut a piece off about how much I think I'm going to use. And then I am going to thread it through, yeah, this wire's kind of, I'm going to just cut that off. I love this wired jute stuff, but it is so problematic. So actually, you know what? I think I'm going to need a little bit of tape to get this through there. Alright, so I'm just going to take this little piece of clear tape and try to wrap this up here so that I am able to get it through the hole. And I think it's gonna go, yeah, I think I'll go this way. Might be a little bit more difficult than I think it's gonna be. Oh, the wire's poking through. All right, I'm gonna try to get another piece of tape on here and get this in there. Okay, so I have my jute through here. Then I'm just gonna tie this up here a little bit, going up the top. Yeah, my wire just fell right out of there. So I am gonna cut that off. And then I'm gonna bring this around and I'm just gonna hot glue it on the back side here. Like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and do that to the other side also. All right, I have my jute on there. It's all finished. I thought it turned out pretty neat looking. I really like this. I should have bought more of these and I should have given these away for gifts this year. I think they turned out pretty good. You'll have to let me know what you think. I just want to say thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.